Hello, future biologists. Welcome to an exciting journey into the fundamental unit of life, the cell. Today, we'll unravel one of its most fascinating secrets: how chromosomes carry genes and DNA, the very essence of heredity. We'll explore this topic across four levels: easy, medium, hard, and hardest, ensuring a comprehensive understanding tailored for every learner. Let's begin our exploration of the genetic blueprint. Let's start with the basics. What are these mysterious structures called chromosomes, and how do they hold the secrets of life? Imagine a tiny instruction manual inside every cell of your body. That's essentially what chromosomes are. They are thread-like structures found right inside the cell's control center, the nucleus. These amazing structures are made up of two main components: proteins and a very special molecule called DNA. Think of them as tiny, tightly packed bundles of genetic information. Each chromosome contains all the instructions that make you, well, you. From your eye color to your height, these instructions are all stored within these incredible structures. They ensure that when a cell divides, a complete set of genetic information is passed on to the new cells. Now, let's talk about the key players: DNA and genes. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the master blueprint of life. It's a long, twisted ladder-like molecule that carries all the genetic instructions. Genes are like specific chapters or sentences within this DNA blueprint. Each gene is a segment of DNA that holds the instructions for a particular trait or function. For example, one gene might tell your body to produce melanin, which gives your skin and hair their color. So, chromosomes are the organized packages, DNA is the entire instruction manual, and genes are the specific instructions within that manual. It's a beautiful system designed to pass traits from parents to offspring. Time to test your understanding with some quick questions. Pause, think, and answer before moving on. Good luck! Ready to dive a bit deeper? Let's explore the structure and function of chromosomes, DNA, and genes with more detail. The journey to understanding chromosomes and DNA is a story of remarkable scientific discovery. Early observations in the late 19th century revealed thread-like structures in dividing cells, which were later named chromosomes for their ability to be stained. Theodore Boveri and Walter Soton, in the early 20th century, independently proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance, linking these structures to Mendel's factors of heredity. Fast forward to 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, building on the work of Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, unveiled the iconic double helix structure of DNA, revolutionizing our understanding of how genetic information is stored and passed on. These achievements laid the groundwork for modern genetics. Let's look at the structure more closely. A chromosome, especially during cell division, appears as two identical, sister chromatids joined at a constricted point called the centromere. Inside, the DNA molecule is a stunning double helix, often compared to a twisted ladder. The rungs of this ladder are formed by specific pairs of nitrogenous bases: adenine always pairs with thymine, and guanine always pairs with cytosine. This precise pairing is fundamental to how genetic information is replicated and read. A gene is a specific sequence of these DNA base pairs that carries the instructions to make a particular protein or a functional RNA molecule, which in turn dictate a specific trait or cellular function. This intricate organization ensures the stability and accurate transmission of hereditary information. So, how do these components work together? Imagine the entire DNA molecule as a massive library of information. Genes are like individual recipe books within this library, each containing instructions for making a specific product, say, a particular protein like hemoglobin. These recipe books, genes, are neatly organized and packaged into larger volumes called chromosomes. When a cell needs to make a protein, it reads the specific gene on the chromosome, transcribes it into an RNA message, and then translates that message into a protein. This entire process, from DNA to gene to chromosome, is the elegant mechanism that underpins heredity, determining all the characteristics of an organism and ensuring that genetic traits are passed faithfully from one generation to the next. Now it's time to solidify your knowledge. Here are 5 questions to challenge your understanding of chromosomes, genes, and DNA at a deeper level. Take your time to answer them thoroughly. Ready for a more analytical perspective? Let's connect these concepts to broader biological theories and explore their implications. To truly grasp the significance, let's compare DNA, genes, and chromosomes. DNA is the raw molecular material, the long polymer of nucleotides that carries the entire genetic blueprint. A gene is a functional segment of this DNA, a specific sequence of nucleotides that codes for a particular protein or regulatory RNA molecule, acting as the unit of heredity. Chromosomes are the highly organized, supercoiled structures of DNA and proteins that reside within the nucleus, serving as the vehicles for genetic information during cell division. Think of DNA as the entire library's content, a gene as a specific book with a complete story, and a chromosome as a bookshelf containing many such books. This hierarchical organization ensures both the stability of genetic material and its efficient packaging and distribution during cell division. Understanding this distinction is crucial for comprehending genetic inheritance and cellular function. The chromosomal theory of inheritance, developed by Sutton and Boveri, was a monumental step. It provided the physical basis for Mendel's abstract laws of heredity. Mendel observed factors that segregated and assorted independently. Sutton and Boveri demonstrated that these factors, now known as genes, are located on chromosomes. They showed that the segregation of homologous chromosomes during meiosis perfectly explains Mendel's law of segregation, where alleles separate during gamete formation. Similarly, the independent assortment of non-homologous chromosomes explains Mendel's law of independent assortment, where genes on different chromosomes are inherited independently. This theory unified genetics and cytology, firmly establishing chromosomes as the carriers of genetic information and the vehicles for its transmission across generations, providing a robust framework for understanding heredity. Beyond heredity, the role of DNA within chromosomes extends to the very core of cellular function, protein synthesis. The information encoded in genes on the DNA dictates the production of all proteins required for life. This process involves transcription, where a gene's DNA sequence is copied into an RNA molecule, and translation, where this RNA sequence is used to assemble amino acids into a specific protein. Furthermore, chromosomes are prone to changes called mutations, alterations in the DNA sequence. These can range from single base changes to large-scale chromosomal rearrangements. While some mutations are harmful, others can be neutral or even beneficial, driving evolution. Thus, chromosomes are not static structures but dynamic entities that facilitate inheritance, govern cellular processes, and serve as the raw material for evolutionary change. Now, let's challenge your analytical skills with 7 thought-provoking questions. These will require you to synthesize information and apply your understanding of the connections between DNA, genes, and chromosomes. For the advanced learners and competitive aspirants, let's delve into the intricate molecular architecture and the cutting-edge implications of chromosomes, genes, and DNA. The historical context of discovering chromosomes, genes, and DNA is a testament to scientific perseverance. From the microscopic observations of chromatin by Walter Fleming in the 1880s to the elucidation of the double helix by Watson and Crick in 1953, each step built upon prior knowledge. Early geneticists like Thomas Hunt Morgan, working with fruit flies, provided definitive evidence for the chromosomal theory of inheritance, mapping genes to specific locations on chromosomes. This era marked a shift from abstract hereditary factors to tangible physical entities. The understanding of DNA's structure immediately suggested its replication mechanism and how genetic information could be stored and expressed, paving the way for the molecular biology revolution. These foundational discoveries laid the bedrock for all subsequent advancements in genetics and biotechnology. From an engineering perspective, the packaging of DNA into chromosomes is an astounding feat. The human genome, approximately 2 meters of DNA, is compacted into a nucleus just a few micrometers in diameter. This involves multiple levels of calling. DNA wraps around histone proteins to form nucleosomes, which then coil into a 30 nanometer chromatin fiber, further folding into loops and ultimately condensing into a metaphase chromosome. This hierarchical packaging is not arbitrary, it's dynamic and regulated, influencing gene expression. Specific regions like centromeres, essential for accurate chromosome segregation during mitosis and meiosis, and telomeres, protective caps that prevent chromosomal degradation and fusion, highlight this intricate design. Telomere shortening is linked to aging and cancer, demonstrating their critical role in genome stability and cellular longevity. This molecular architecture is a prime example of biological efficiency and precision. Delving deeper into chromosome biology, we classify chromosomes based on the position of their centromere, metacentric, centromere in the middle, submetacentric, slightly off-center, acrocentric, near one end, and telocentric, at the very end. This morphology is crucial for karyotyping, a technique used to visualize and analyze an individual's complete set of chromosomes, often revealing genetic abnormalities. Furthermore, the genetic code, the set of rules by which information encoded in DNA is translated into proteins, is almost universally conserved across all life forms, from bacteria to humans. This universality is a powerful piece of evidence for common ancestry and forms the basis for genetic engineering, allowing genes from one organism to function in another. The processes of DNA replication, transcription, and translation, orchestrated by genes on chromosomes, represent the core machinery of life, dictating development, function, and inheritance. The legacy of understanding chromosomes, genes, and DNA extends into myriad fields. In medicine, it underpins genetic counseling, prenatal diagnosis, and the development of gene therapies for diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. In biotechnology, it drives advancements in genetic engineering, enabling the creation of genetically modified organisms for enhanced crop yield or pharmaceutical production. In forensics, DNA profiling, based on variations in specific DNA sequences on chromosomes, has revolutionized crime solving. Moreover, evolutionary biology relies heavily on comparative genomics to trace evolutionary relationships and understand species divergence. This chain of impact, from fundamental molecular structures to societal applications, underscores the profound importance of chromosomes, genes, and DNA as the ultimate blueprint of life, continually shaping our understanding and capabilities in biology. Now, prepare for a comprehensive challenge. Here are the first 5 out of 10 questions designed to test your deep understanding and critical thinking skills on chromosomes, genes, and DNA. Give them your best shot. Continuing our ultimate challenge, here are the remaining 5 questions. These require you to integrate knowledge, analyze complex scenarios, and demonstrate a mastery of the subject. Good luck with these advanced concepts. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth exploration of chromosomes, genes, and DNA. We hope this journey has illuminated the incredible complexity and elegance of life's blueprint. For more such engaging and comprehensive educational content across various subjects and levels, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and to continue your learning adventure. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring the wonders of science.